Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic sound. Yes, now we are going to observing the change in sound. Yes, we are going to perform the activity observing the changes in sound. So for this we need to take 5 metal glasses and place them on a table. Pour different quantities of water into 5 metal glasses. Yes, so you can see, as you can see in the picture, we have to pour different quantities in each glass. Now take a wooden stick and strike the metal glass gently with a wooden stick. So we have observed that each of the glass will have a different tone when strike them with a wooden stick. Yes, so here the glass with the more water, that means less air gap. You can see here this picture. The glass with more water, less air gap is there in that, will have the lowest tone. While the glass with less water, more air gap, this one, the final glass. So in that the water quantity is less. So there the more air gap will be present. So we'll have the greater tone. Yes, so when we are striking one by one continuously, we will observe that increase in the sound. The water quantity is continuously reduced here in each of the glass. So here the sound is also increased here. So we learn that the small vibrations are made when we strike the glass. This creates sound waves which travels through the water. Yes, the small vibrations are made when we strike the glass. This creates sound waves which travels through the water. So, glasses filled with water up to different heights produces a different sounds based on the amount of air gap present in the glass. So in the first glass, the air gap is very less. So the tone of the sound is very less there. In the last glass, the air gap is more. The tone of the sound is also more there. So here glasses filled with water up to different heights produces different sounds based on the amount of air gap present in the glass. So thus we can conclude that the sounds are produced by the vibrating bodies and by the air passing through orifices of the instruments, like musical instruments. Here, when we strike each of the glass, we will observe different sounds. So here, while striking each of the glass, the tone of the sound will be increases continuously. Yes, that is depends upon here air gap between the glasses. So here we can say that Jal Tarang works based on the principle of change in quality of sound. So you can see the Jal Tarang, one of the most rarely heard instruments today, is among the oldest instruments in the world. It consists of metal bowls filled with water, as you can see in this picture. It consists of all metal bowls filled with water and stuck by 2 wooden sticks. That is the Jal Tarang. One of the most rarely heard instruments today, is among the oldest instruments in the world.